Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to import users from a database and synchronize user details to the database in bold reports. Before getting into this video, let me briefly explain what a user is. A user is an individual who has been given permission to access report server reports, datasets, data sources, and schedules. Now let's see how to import users from the database. Users can only be added, edited, or deleted by someone who is in the System Administrator group. The System Administrator group will automatically be created while launching the Bold Reports reporting application during installation. To import users from the database, first, click Users from the left navigation bar. To add the user, click New User from the top panel. A drop-down will be displayed. Report Server has options to add a single user manually or import users from CSV, Active Directory, Azure AD, or a database. For this demo, choose the Import from Database option. You will be redirected to the database settings page. Enter the necessary fields. I am managing my users in the users database, so I am selecting users from the drop-down list. Click the Test Connection button. You will get the Test Connection Succeeded toast message. Once the test connection is successful, click the Next button. In this page, we need to map the user data fields with the fields in the database. Here, users is the database name that you selected in the previous page. For mapping the user data, expand Users from the left panel. You will find the list of fields that are available in the selected database. When you hover over the fields, the Add Icon button will be visible. When you click Add Icon, only the username user data field will be shown. The username field should not contain any spaces because if it does, while synchronizing the user with the database, an invalid username error will occur. For this demo, I am selecting the email field as my username user data field. Then I select the first name, email, last name, and as active fields and the values for the user data field, respectively. So the organization may store the as active field value as true or false, or 0 or 1, where 0 is considered as false and 1 is considered as true. To map the as active value type, the as active value field is used. I have set the as active field value to be true or false, so I am entering the value as true. Click the Save button. The usernames and their email IDs are listed in the grid. You can modify the database string by clicking the Modify button. Add the user by selecting the checkbox in the grid. If you want to add all the users, select the checkbox at the header. And click the Import Users button. A dialog displays the number of users imported from the database. Click the OK button. Click the Back button. You will be redirected to the Users page. In the Users page, you will see the user is added to the user list. In the Email Verification column, you will see that the status is pending. An email will be sent to the imported user, so that the user will be verified. If there are changes to the user details in the database, and the same details need to be added in the report server, then you need to synchronize the user information. Bold Reports provides an option to synchronize user details manually, by using a synchronization schedule that will synchronize the user details automatically, at a specific time interval. Now let's see how to manually synchronize user information from the database. Under the Users panel, click Synchronize. And then select Database Synchronization. Select the users from the user list that you want to synchronize with the database. Click the Synchronize button. Our report server will synchronize the user details, first name, last name, email address, and contact number with the existing database, and it will delete the user if the user was deleted from the existing database. After synchronization completes, the number of users modified, deleted, and duplicated will be shown in the dialog box. Click the OK button. Existing database users, who have the same email address as that of Bold Reports, will be marked as duplicate users, and will not be allowed to synchronize with the existing database. Now, let's see how to add a schedule for synchronizing user data with the database. Bold Reports Report Server provides an option to create a schedule that will automate the synchronization of storing data in the report server from the database. The scheduling will happen on daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly intervals. To create a schedule, click Settings from the left navigation bar. Click Authentication from the top panel. Click Database to open the Database Settings panel. Click the Synchronization button from the top panel. And select Database Schedule Synchronization from the drop-down list. To enable the schedule, select the Enable Database Schedule option. Modify the necessary fields for the synchronization. And click Save. You will see the schedule time at the top. In this video, you learned how to import users from a database and how to synchronize user data from the database in Bold Reports. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.